wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best two-person desks. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the jonti-craft double is a true computer work table in that it's got a keyboard shelf and cable management options built right in. At 22 inches high, it was made with kids in mind, so you might consider it if you homeschool or run a daycare facility. It's got safe rounded edges and a matching single is also available. However, note that chairs are not included. At number 9, holding up to 300 pounds, the bait agility was designed to be used when needed, then stored or moved without any inconvenience. To do so, you fold the legs in and the top down, creating a slim flat piece that slides and won't be in the way. It comes with a powder-coated steel base and an integrated modesty panel, but the casters could be better. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Sure, the Bush Furniture Cabot L wasn't designed as a dual workspace, but if you'd like a larger, heavier model without spending too much cash, it could be suitable, as it's quite capacious. Just be aware that when shared, the two users won't have a lot of legroom. It includes a 4-port USB hub and an electronic storage tray. However, assembling it can be difficult. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for two-person desks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, if you're forced to sit next to someone but don't want to look at them all day long, then check out the Little Tree Double Workstation. It's got a set of shelves that slice the working area in half, helping to provide a bit of privacy. It's equipped with tough legs for steadiness and blends well with a range of decor. It offers more storage space than many too. Moving up our list to number 6, the Venture Horizon Double would fit right into either a home or a professional office, thanks to an understated design and wheels that let you move it as needed. And with its 5 drawers, it has plenty of room for the user's stuff. It also makes a great sewing station and folds for storage. However, the materials feel flimsy. Halfway up our list at number 5. When your square footage is low but you still need to accommodate tandem working, you could do worse than the South Shore Combo, which takes its name from the fact that it includes both a table and a shelf unit. As a bonus, it's not terribly pricey either. It's backed by a 5-year warranty and comes in white or black, but it isn't the most durable. At number 4, not everyone will want or need this Bush Furniture L-shaped, but for those setting up a traditional business environment, it's worthy of consideration. This is especially true since it's non-handed, so you can arrange it to suit both your righty and lefty workers. It features scratch-resistant surfaces and 45-inch high panels. However, it is an expensive selection. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For the amount of space you get for the price, it's tough to beat the Need computer table and its 63-inch long top that can seat 2 people, if they don't mind getting a little cozy. But don't worry, because the metal frame keeps it standing strong. You can choose from several colors or with a sleek glossy finish. This one's a good choice for minimalists. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for two-person desks, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, in the middle of the dual 78-inch is a handy drawer and open cabinet for the items you might share with your neighbor, complete with a cable management port, while on either end is a shelf, so you can each have your own area too. It's equipped with adjustable feet for stability and a cabinet with a finished back. It offers a no-hassle assembly. And coming in at number 1 on our list, you may need some help to erect the liber-t home office kit, but this isn't necessarily a bad thing because it means that the parts are heavy and sturdy. In fact, you might like it so much that you want to add on, which you can since the pieces are also sold separately. It boasts a legal-size filing drawer and clean modern styling. It feels long-lasting. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for two-person desks, or simply click beneath this video.